Microplastics are everywhere, and we know that they're spreading throughout the air that we breathe, the food that we eat, the water that we drink. So they exist everywhere, and humans aren't completely sure about how they affect human health. I'm sure we've all heard about plastics in the ocean, but the freshwater ecosystems have sort of been overlooked. The project that I'm working on is looking at how microplastics are affecting freshwater ecosystems. There are two sources of microplastics. Those are the microplastics that are produced to be the size that they are. If you've ever had a face scrub that has like little beads in them, a lot of times those are microplastics. And the other source is from breakdown in the environment. Large shampoo bottles or Tupperware don't biodegrade completely. They wind up just getting smaller and smaller until they're living in the environment as microplastics for a long time.
It's been estimated that something like 300 million tons of microplastics are deposited in the environment every year. Organisms will ingest these things either incidentally or by mistaking them for something that they think is something to eat. This is a way to actually transport toxins through ecosystems that wouldn't normally occur. What we're hoping to fund our research is to be able to document whether in fact this movement of these materials, these microplastics, does in fact occur up food webs and is responsible for transporting microplastics in aquatic systems into terrestrial systems. One of the things I think we really give students a great opportunity to do is get involved in things and actually get a chance to actively solve problems, get experience doing that.
The research I'm doing is really exciting to me because I'm getting a good mix of field work, a good mix of lab work, and the biggest thing right now is figuring out all of the detriments and all of the dangers of microplastics in the environment, and that's what we're trying to do so that we can better guide consumers and producers on how to behave with plastics. I feel like I'm a little kid who gets to make their own experiment in the lab and it's contributing to science. Part of the reason why I love Loyola's School of Sustainability is because of its interdisciplinary nature. I just think that that's a really important part of my education since my research is more nitty-gritty science, but being able to experience in the classroom and learn from social scientists about the impact that environmental science and sustainability has on humans socially is really important to me. I want to care about people and care for the earth in whatever I'm doing. I want to be improving the world in a way that makes it easier for people to live their life and protects the environment because the environment in a lot of ways can't protect itself.